Welcome to Spartan Trading Academy. I hope my voice and my display is clear. Just to give me confirmation from your end. Okay, if anybody new to our webinar, just to go and type Spartan Trading Academy in YouTube, you will get a channel. For the last 2 weeks, we are continually organizing the webinar. The pre-section video and the recorded video, all the Tamil and English videos are available in our channel. Just you can watch it in your free time. Also, suppose you are a new person, go and type in a Spartan Trading Academy in Instagram. We are posting the daily breakout stocks and minimum risk and maximum profitable trade setup and all. Actually, we are specialized in harmonic trade. Actually, last week few persons are attended. We got a good result in the last webinar. Okay, shall I start? 5, 6. Okay, let's begin the section. In 2 weeks, first of all, this is John Peter from Spartan Trading Academy. We are registered analyst. Okay, we are running academy in the last 1.5 years. Also, I am a full-time trader in the last 5 years. Okay. We are organizing a monthly course, monthly mentorship program and all. So we have already covered 500 plus students for the last 6 months. Suppose you are interested, we can approach. We are providing training in Tamil and English. We have a separate trainer also. Okay. Tamil, actually we are planning for the Hindi, Kannada, Telugu for the upcoming months. Okay. Okay, let's begin. In our last week webinar, in the last 2 weeks, in the first week we discussed about a market structure, and the second week we discussed about harmonic pattern, and this week we are going to see about how to identify the trend, otherwise how to identify the market direction. Then only we can take a good trade, correct? So let's move on to the topic. The today topic: how to identify the stock market or any market trend. Okay, we have the 3 method. First method, we need to analyze the market structure. Okay, then second method, based on the CPR, we will get full detail about the current market situation. And the third method is a EMA. First method, market structure, we need to analyze, and the second method, CPR, and the third method, EMA. So let's discuss one by one. First method, it's a market structure. And last 2 weeks before itself, we discussed about the entire detail about market structure. Those who are new, then I give you some overall introduction about market structure. All the market moving based on the market structure only. You can watch any market, it give you at least, you can see here in a picture itself. In this chart started here and moving upwards, and some profit booking came, again market came down, and again some bullers enter into the trade, so again market moving upwards. What's this? It is previous high. So when market going to hit the previous high and start the rally, it is called simply it is uptrend. Okay, again market coming down and creating some new low, again creating new high. Whenever the previous high has got breaked out, we can easily identify the market direction, it is uptrend. So the technical term, it is called higher high, then it is called higher low. In a word itself, you can see first word is higher, the low itself it is give you, it is a high, higher low. Both are in higher side. Okay, again market break the previous high, then create a new higher high. Okay, then again profit booking came, it's created new higher low. whenever you got the opportunity, whenever you got the structure higher high and higher low, you can easily find out the trend. What's the trend? It is the uptrend. Whenever higher I got breaked out, then you can take the buy entry, not a sell entry. Suppose the person asking, whenever market starts the profit booking, it come down, right? It creating higher low. Then shall I take a sell? No, it is not a correct answer. It is not the correct trend also. So whenever you got the higher high structure, we need to focus only buy, not a sell. After that, market started sideways. Here you can see there is only one higher high and higher low. After that, there is a no higher high. You can see market starting range between the previous high and previous low. It not break the any direction, just moving between the 2 points. So it is called sideways arrangement. So you can see a few person telling it is a triple top or a double top, whatever may be. It will reflect on market structure. Just mark the previous high and mark the previous low. Once the previous low got breaked out and creating new low, then you can take the sell entry here. Okay, it is the confirmation for the sellers. Market going to the down direction from the sideways into down. When you got the clear idea, whenever lower low got break below, then you can take the entry here, put the sell here. Okay, it came down again, creating new lower low, then again some profit booking. Who taken the sell order here or here, they will exit their position. What is mean by exit? They already sold the stock, so they will buy the stock to square off their position. So market give you some correction and again came down. Whenever lower low got break below, then you can take the sell. Whenever higher high got break above, then you can take a buy order. When you see market never break the higher R and higher low, no need to take any trade. It is a clear sideways. This is only benefit for the option seller, not option buyer. Whenever market moving between the 2 points, it is a current market for the option sellers. You can see it is you can assume it is 500 and it is 550. Then you can sell the 560 call option and 480 or 490 put option. Why? Because it is high and it is low. Whenever you find out any sideways market, you can mark the previous high and the previous low, sold the both put and call. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next chapter. The next chapter is called CPR. Okay, what's mean by CPR? Anybody any idea about CPR? Anybody using CPR in intraday? Post your messages, then I can easily know about how many people are already aware of the CPR now. Details. You can anybody post the messages, then I can identify central pivot range. Sivachandran. Yeah. Okay. How many of you already know about aware of the CPR method? Around 30 plus people are watching. Ravi, thank you, Ravi. Central pivot range. Median price of the past trading range. Okay. Krishna telling I am aware of the CPR. Yes. Yeah. Certain no. Out of central pivot range, Krishna. Yeah, correct. Vivek, Vikas, right. Yeah, Vikas, no. Okay. Out of 30 people, I got around 10 plus messages. In 10 messages, more than 5 already aware of the CPR. Why? Because it is not an indicator. It is market sentimental value. Okay. Kindly understand, CPR is not an indicator. CPR is sentimental value for the previous day. You can type it in a Google, you will get the answer. What is meant by CPR? CPR nothing but central pivot range. How to calculate the CPR value? Just add previous day, high, low, close, then divided by 3. Then you will get the value of central pivot range. Okay, this is not an indicator. I show you in a live market how to use it. Then you will get some idea. Okay, the second method is called the CPR method. In a CPR method, you will damn sure you will get a clear idea about trend of the market. Okay, just mark my word. CPR is not an indicator. CPR is the sentimental value for the past few trading days value. Okay, just aware of that. Okay, let's check it in a live market. What is mean by CPR? We have the three terminology: ascending CPR and descending CPR and range bound CPR. We have the three type of CPR. Let's check it in live market. I will switch on the CPR. Then we'll move on to the Bank Nifty. Just our Monday is the holiday. So what I can buy order or sell order on a Friday. Suppose you are a seller in option, you will damn sure get a minimum profit. Suppose you are a buyer in option, definitely it will reduce your premium. Okay. We will discuss in upcoming webinar how to take buy and sell, when need to take the buy and sell in option. Okay, it is a very huge topic. Okay, let's move on to the chart. You can see the first part. Okay, in a CPR, it is a first part, it is ascending CPR. Okay, what do you mean by ascending? It is like a steps. Okay, you can see here the previous lines and the current lines. You can just watch, it's like a steps. The three lines created above the yesterday range means it is a ascending CPR. Whenever you got the CPR in an ascending manner all the day, just focus only buy order, not a sell order. Okay, just mark my word. Whenever you got the ascending CPR, then focus only buy, not a sell. Suppose a few person asking, on the day market opened above CPR only, but why I got a huge sell off? Okay, it is the second part of the CPR. First, you need to understand the market trend, then we can discuss about the second part. Okay, first thing, the direction of the CPR. Okay, it is ascending on the this 3 day. Just to focus only buy, forget about sell. Okay, after that market what happened? It is the descending CPR. So just take only sell order, forget the buy order. Why? Because it is a descending pattern. You can use any time frame because it is previous day and current day. It is, we are discussing about only ascending and descending. For this purpose, we are using any time frame. You will get an idea. You can don't use day time frame. You will never get a CPR. You can use 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. You will get a CPR range. If it is ascending, just focus the buy order. If it is an market in descending, just focus the sell order. This is part number 1. And second market. Okay, you can see here in the last few days, all the CPR is ranging or created one by one. It is like a horizontal line. You can see there is a no ascending, there is a no descending. All the CPR is in a range. Whenever you got the range CPR or inside CPR, what is meant by inside? You can see here the CPR previous day and the current day stuck into the previous day. Current day CPR fully inside by the previous day. The CPR is called inside CPR. Okay. For the beginning itself, just understand it is only for the basic. So no need to worry about the wedge and ascend. Just to focus ascending and descending. Don't focus any virgin CPR and any other CPR. Okay, just to focus only ascending and descending. During the day, the ascending and descending is very minimum, or it is a narrow range. During the day, market is trading between the two value. Okay, it is clearly indicating it is clear sideway market. Okay, whenever you got the very minimum ascending or descending or inside CPR, just mark the day and wait for the breakout. What happened on the day? It may be a distribution or it may be a accumulation. Whenever you got the narrow, not a narrow CPR, it is compared to the previous day and current day, it is very minimum ascending or very minimum descending, or it is a inside. Just to focus only option selling, not a buying. Why? Because it is the day for the accumulation or distribution. Okay, just my mark my word, it is ascending, you can take a buy. It is in descending, take a sell. If it is in all the CPR is in a single range, then mark the all the range and take the only option selling, not a buying. Okay, you can see in previous day also. We can post any name, stock name. I will check out the current trend. Okay, post any name of the stock. Just to post what is the time best time frame for the intraday. Adani, Rajesh posting Adani. Okay, Dr. Reddy, HDFC Bank. Okay, thank you. What is the best time frame for the intraday? Krishna asking about the time frame. Nothing but it is only 5 minutes for the equity, or it is only 5 minutes for the any Indian script. Okay, suppose you are intraday player, just to focus the 5 minutes. A few person telling I'm using 1 minute or 3 minutes or 2 minutes, you will get a maximum entry, you will get the maximum SL. Only scalping traders are using below 5 minute time frame. Okay, just mark my word, below time frame you are taking any order, you need to square off your position within a few seconds or few minutes, then only you made a profit. Otherwise you will never made a profit. Suppose you are intraday player in Indian market, just to focus the 5 minutes, you are focusing 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, it is well and good. I'm telling about minimum time frame. Suppose you are using 5 minutes, you will get a good trade. Suppose you are focusing 15 minutes, you will get less trade also. Less trade also very accurate trade. Suppose you are taking 1 hour trade, it is very best. 1 hour is only for the swing trade, not intraday trade. So you are intraday player, just to focus 5 minutes, maximum of 15 minutes. Okay. For the commodity or international players, just to focus at least 15 minutes and 1 hour. For my view, for the international trading in a forex or currency trading, use 1 hour. For the commodity, use only 15 minutes. Okay, let's discuss about HDFC Bank. Chivachandra asking about HDFC Bank. Let's discuss about HDFC. HDFC. HDFC Bank. Okay. Still no market in a sell direction. Okay. Why? Because it is only descending or ascending. It is a descending, correct? In a Friday itself, it is showing only descending. Okay. Till now, we didn't get any breakout for the buy. When need to take a buy order in a descending pattern, just to focus the market structure, when market break the previous higher high, then this is the area need to take the buy. Okay, just wait for the at least one higher high, then take the buy. Still now, HDFC Bank in a only sell mode. I can give the previous swing. This is, you can see low, low, low. You can see here. It is the possibility of a double bottom. Okay, so market is currently in a range, but still in a sell mode. When need to take the buy, just mark the previous high. This is the previous high. If it is break the high and creating higher low and creating higher high, this is the area to focus the buy. Krishna, you got my point? Just to post yes or no. Just to post yes or no, Krishna. You got my point or not? HDFC. Let's discuss about one by one, brother. We have almost another 30 minutes. We discuss about one more strategy. Just stay tuned. Krishna is there. Anybody got idea about HDFC Bank? Just to post yes or no. I got some confirmation. Otherwise, it will be stuck. Just to post yes or no. Got clear about idea about HDFC Bank. Market currently trading around in a range bound. It is still in a sell mode. Okay, just watch. It's creating, already created the double bottom and trying to break the high. If it is break this high and creating new higher high, then you can take the buy. Okay. Me trade only in MCX, Krishna. Then why are you asking about HDFC Bank? No issue. Let's discuss about crude oil also. Adani Enterprise from Raj's side. Okay, brother. Let's discuss. Adani Enterprise. Okay. Tell me, brother. I already explained about ascending and descending and narrow everything. Now tell me your view. Who asked about Adani Enterprise? I think who asking about Adani? Rajesh. Tell me the direction of the current trend in Adani Enterprise. Anybody you can post the message. What is the current CPR? It is ascending or descending? It's a descending. Rajesh only told it is a descending. Sivachandran telling about it's a range bound. Okay. When need to take the entry, buy entry or sell entry? Just explain about when need to take the entry. Already I explained. When need to take the entry. The current trend is what is? It is a buy or sell. Definitely it is a range. Why? Because you can see here, this is clear range, rectangle shape, but market in sell mode. Why? Because it is a descending CPR. So you need to watch two things. Currently trading in a range bound and previously trading in a descending. Okay, if it is break this level for the upcoming day, then you can take the sell order. Now I tell you about what happened on tomorrow. It is Tuesday. You will all the indicator give you about tomorrow's CPR, correct? Till now we are speaking about ascending, descending, and range bound, correct? In the Adani Enterprise, I tell you what will happen on Tuesday. Okay, let's check tomorrow's CPR, tomorrow pivot. Many people are posting which indicator I'm going to use. All the CPR is available. Lot of authors are available in public. Okay, then no need to worry. You can use any CPR. In a CPR indicator, just select tomorrow CPR, then you will get tomorrow CPR in a same day. Okay. Tomorrow is the day for option sellers. Why? Because it is inside CPR. There is a no buy, there is a no ascending, or there is a no descending. What is the current CPR? This is descending or ascending. It is inside, correct? There is a no ascending, there is a no descending. Then you can focus, okay? You can focus the market structure. This is the previous high, and this is the previous low. Just watch. If it is break the previous low and creating new lower low, then you can take the sell order. Otherwise, it is creating new higher high and creating the higher low, then this is the place to take the buy order. Just forget between this level to in this level. Okay. In between market, definitely in a range bound market. Okay. The CPR also indicating this is the narrow range. Tuesday, definitely market will trend like anything. Okay. It may be a breakdown or breakout. Okay, just to focus the Adani Enterprise on Tuesday, then you will get some idea. Why? Because it is a narrow CPR. I tell you about what is meant by narrow and what is meant by wide. You can see the CPR. I hide the candlesticks. You can see here there is only two CPRs. The first CPR is called wide CPR and the second CPR is called narrow CPR. Just compare the CPR, current CPR into previous CPR. Whenever you got a gap, it's huge compared to the previous day. The three line is having the gap compared to the previous day. It is called wide CPR. What is meant by wide CPR? Market is in a sideway. Just compare the previous day and this day. Previous day is the wide and the current day is narrow. Whenever you got the gap between the three lines, it is very, very minimum. It is called a narrow. Then market will turn into breakdown or breakout. It's anything happen. Okay. On the day, just mark previous swings. Okay. Then only you will get a good opportunity. This is previous low and this is previous high. If it is break the low, okay, then take the sell order. If it is break the high only, focus the buy order. Okay, it's clear? I'm clear? Just to post your view, it is clear? SL for the CPR. Sivachandran, SL for the CPR. Today we are discussing about only trend. Till now we are not discuss about entry and target. Okay. Till now we are not discuss about entry and SL. Why? Because just we are in beginning. Okay. In upcoming week, definitely will give you the idea about when need to take the entry and when need to take target, when need to put the SL. Everything will be discussed in upcoming weeks. Okay. Just you can follow my YouTube. In upcoming week, I'm going to start the new series from the beginning to in advanced method. In my basic technical analysis paid course will be discussed in my YouTube. Okay. Many people are asking. Okay. Then I'm going to start my new course in Spartan Trading Academy YouTube for the following days. For the intraday people or swing traders, when need to take the take the entry and when need to put the target and the stop loss and all will be discussed by one. Okay, just for your question, just use pivot level for the target and SL. Okay, this is one word. Don't use the entire trade for the pivot level. It is very different method. Okay. Trend line, please. Anything about trend lines? Okay. Krishna asking about trend line. It is my duty to explain. Few people are using. Okay. You can put any line. Okay. Any line. I hide all the indicator. Okay. Just I am previously I explained only about market structure. I will never speak about trend line. Why? Because you can take any line, okay, horizontal line or any trend line. You can create here. You got touch here 1, 2, 3. It is valid or not? Few percent telling it is valid and few percent telling not valid. Okay. Then again you can take a line here. Okay. It is valid or not? It is valid. Then you can take a line here. It is valid or not? It is valid because we have more than 2 or 3 touches in a single line, correct? Correct or not? Don't use any trend line for your entry. Use only trend line for the exit. Okay? And SL. Don't take based on the trade using only trend line. Why? Because it is not valid. Suppose you are using horizontal support and resistance line in horizontal line, it will be valid. Suppose you are using trend line, it is not valid. Suppose you are using channel, suppose you are using chart pattern, it will be valid. I tell you how. You can see here clearly. Suppose it hit this level, market reached this area, then I can say it is a rounding bottom. Okay, it is the rounding bottom. Then the line is valid. You can take the order above the line. It is a resistance line. I never speak about trend line. This is support and resistance line. Don't use any trend line for the intraday. Definitely you lose your capital. Mark my word. Suppose you are a trend line trader in an Indian market, damn sure your account will be square off within a few days. Okay. Use support and resistance lines and a chart pattern and channels. Then only you made a profit. Okay. Don't use any trend lines. Only use the channels. I already discussed about how to take the entry based on the trend line in my channel. Okay. What's the video? I will speak. I already given the explain about the trend line. How to use the trend line. You can see here how to draw the trend line like a pro. It is not a trend line. It is the channel. Okay, it is the channel. Definitely, I am using only channel. I am not using trend lines. Okay. I hope you got answer. Just we have the very minimum time. We'll move on to the next part. Okay. The next part is called. Okay, I got some questions from. Okay, thank you, brother Krishna. Okay, next, we are going to see about exponential moving average. Don't use any simple moving average. Damn sure the closed value and some fake breakout will be you can find out in live market itself. Suppose you are using simple moving average, just delete the simple moving average, use exponential moving average. The two moving average are 20 and 50. For the position, what about intraday? Just use 200 moving average for the intraday, 250 and 20. Let's check it out in a live market. 20, 50, this is 200. Change the value into 9 into 200. Suppose you are an intraday player. Suppose you are trading in a time frame of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. just use 3 moving average. Okay, suppose you are doing any position, or suppose you are using the indicator, the moving average for the swing trade or investment, just use the time frame minimum of 1 hour. Okay, the 20 and 50 is enough for the swing trade or investment, but you need to use 200 for the intraday in addition. Okay, then you can see here, whenever moving average 200, 50 and 20 is 1 by 1, it is called bullish market. During the days, just to focus only buy orders. Okay, you can see here rally started here till now is in the buy trend. Okay, Adani Enterprise still in a buy trend. We need to take the entry. Okay, in the entry method we have the two method, crossover strategy and break down and break out. We have the two strategy, crossover, and the second strategy, break out and break down. Okay, what about crossover? You can see here. Zoom in. Okay, this is 200, this is 50, this is 20. On this method, definitely market will turn into buy direction only, not a sell direction. Okay, this is the rainbow pattern. Compulsory 200 is below. After the 200 need to get 50. After the 50 it is 20. Whenever market trading all the lines above, then focus it is a buy trade. When need to take the entry, this is the time for taking entry. Okay, 20 is crossed here, then focus the first candle, take the buy above this line. Okay, why? Because it is 20 line crossed here only, so you can take the buy entry above the current line, current candle above. It is the first crossover strategy, and the second a breakout trade. Okay, whenever you got any range or any swings, you can see here, this is one type of swing. Okay, then mark the swing, then you can take the buy above order. Then you can see again here, it is the previous high, then mark the previous high. Whenever you got the break above this line, then you can take the buy order. Okay, when need to take the exit, where's your SL? Just below 50, put your SL. Few persons are using a 20 moving average for the SL. Damn sure it will hit the your SL and move to the same direction. For the EMA strategy, just use 50 as a SL. Okay, don't use 20 for the SL. But if it is market breach the 20, just exit the order. So we don't need to lose our capital, correct? So for the protection, if it is market breach below 20, just exit. Below 20, just exit. Okay, this is a pullback trade. Breached below 20 and again leave the 20, then you can take the entry. There is a three type of entry. First type is crossover. In this method, I will take the entry here. Okay, for the crossover. Then second method, IRI method. If it is break IRI, all the IRI, I will take the entry. Okay. Then third method, whenever market give you the bounce back from the 20, then you can take the above the candle as entry and use the 50 moving average as a SR. Okay, I hope you got clarity. Suppose you having any doubts, you can post query. I will clarify it. 30 plus people are watching currently, so you can post your queries. We have the 3 strategy. Okay, one by one I will cover once again. First strategy, market structure. Whenever you got higher high, take the buy. Whenever you got lower low, take the sell. Whenever market trading between the two level, there is a no higher high, there is a no lower low, then focus on the option sell. Okay, this is the first method. The second method is the CPR method. Whenever you got the ascending CPR, just to focus the buy. Whenever you got the descending CPR, just to focus the sell. Whenever you got the ranging CPR between one CPR into another CPR, it is inside or engulf sideways, just don't trade, just to focus the option selling. Okay, the third method is the EMA moving average. Suppose you are an intraday player, for additionally you can use 200 for the intraday. Don't use only 20 and 50. Additionally, you can use 200 for the position holders, for the swing traders and the investor. Just use 20 and 50 for the confirmation. Okay, in this method we have the 3 type of strategy: crossover strategy and breakout and breakdown, and the third is pullback trade. I'll explain in live market. Okay, I have a query, just to post your query. Hope it is clear. Clear. Nice method. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And suppose you are a new person, just go and type Spartan Trading Academy in YouTube. Definitely the channel give you right direction for the intraday or position. Okay, in all the Saturday Sunday we are posting the levels for the upcoming 1 week. Damn sure we will never post any number of videos in YouTube. Our posting only few video, definitely it will boost your intraday or positional or investment method. Okay, just to go and subscribe Spartan Trading Academy, damn sure you will get some advantage. Okay, then second one is Instagram. Whenever we got any exact or any minimum risk and maximum profit trade setup, we will post it in Instagram. Definitely it will boost your intraday positional investment. And the third one is, who are an option buyer? Just I need answer from your side. Suppose you are an option buyer, just to go and type HNI option. Okay, with the logo of Spartan Trading Academy, you will get the channel. In this channel, we are posting 1 or 2 calls per day. It is only free channel. We are posting our levels for the intraday. So just to go and type HNI option in a Telegram, you will get the channel. And the second one is Spartan Trading Academy. It is our main channel. Okay, in this channel we are posting all the method. Just to watch the picture, it is a double it is head and shoulder. Okay, all the technical levels and the entry and the SL will be posted here. Okay, just to see here, you can see my client profit also. This is my student group who got the post. They will be added in the separate channel for the discussion. Just to watch here, one person got 14,000 to 2,50,000. Okay, it's amazing, correct? Why? Because it is only power of technical analysis. We are providing a monthly and yearly course. Suppose you are interested, then you can ping me. I will post my number also. Just note down my number, then you will get. Just note down my number. You can ping me from Telegram and Instagram and YouTube and all. Okay, the current section will be posted within a 48 hours in a YouTube. Definitely, it will boost your. I think it will boost your intraday and positional. Okay. In upcoming week, we are going to discuss about another good topic. Just stay tuned. Another 15 to 18 topics are pending from our institution. Okay, it is only free webinar. Just to stay tuned in channel. We will post all the topics, whatever will be discussed on the upcoming weeks. All the Saturday is the Tamil webinar, and all the Sunday is the English webinar. Just to stay tuned. Okay, if any doubts and all, you can post queries. Okay. CPR for commodity, Aravind. Suppose you are a commodity trader, just use the CPR in an international trade. Okay, don't use the CPR in MCX chart. Okay, just commodity, US oil. Okay, then do all the analyze in US oil and the NG, natural gas, and gold and silver. It is all in a, you can see here, everything in a dollar. I will never use my analyze in MCX. Why? Because it is break. What's mean break? We never get in the continuation chart. Why? Because we have the very minimum time from the 9 to 11:30, but in an international market, it is 23.5 hours. Market following our M6 following only international chart, just to go and find out the chart in a dollar, US oil, natural gas, gold and silver. We never do it in a metal. Why? Because there is a no metal chart for the international. There is a no volume at all. Okay, don't use the intraday for metals. Just gold, silver, NG, crude is enough for the intraday. Okay. I just note on my number. I will post it here. Anybody want know about the mentorship program and training program from our institute? Just make a call. We will provide the monthly and the yearly course. 8667358849 is my number. You can make a direct call. No, don't message me, because I got a huge message from WhatsApp and Telegram. Just make a call directly. I will guide you. Okay. Suppose till now you didn't open any account from Alice Blue, my executive will call you just to open the account. Okay. We will provide intraday free tips. Okay. For the educational purpose only, I'm telling about it is only educational purpose. Till now we didn't charge anything for the intraday pupils. Just to watch here. This is for the energy call. Okay, so we are posting the calls gold, silver. This is for the energy, and this is for the bullion. This is for the bullion. Gold and silver is bullion, and energy for the crude and natural gas. And also we are posting equity calls and all. Okay, we are posting good levels for the equity. And suppose we want to free calls, just to follow the HNI option. It is only for the Bank Nifty option. Damn sure you will get at least 50 point daily basis. It is only free calls. Still, if you have any doubt, you can make a call. Thank you guys. I hope you got some new idea. Okay, just to follow my YouTube and Telegram. full course complete within a month, bro? Yes, sure. It is only 1 month course for beginning. Okay, just give me a call. We will discuss. Okay, no issue. Just to follow the YouTube, you will get one more news series. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. I hope you got some new idea. Thank you so much. We'll continue the section for the next week. Okay. Next week Sunday, same timing 5 to 6. Okay. We'll come with a new beautiful topic. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.